Hi class, this is Miss Best. I am at a doctor's appointment, so I'm going to give you your notes through this video today. As a result of your discovery activity that you guys started yesterday, you would have discovered that the triangle midsegment theorem states that in a triangle, the segment joining the midpoints of any two sides will be parallel to the third side and half its length. You can also take that statement and flip it. You can say that the third side is twice the length of the midsegment. And this, the flipping of that statement comes in handy when you are when you need to solve an equation to find the length of the midsegment or to find the value of x. And so we're going to do some examples together here on this video. Remember that you can pause the video. I want you guys to write everything down. You can pause the video, rewind, or re-watch it as many times as you need to. All right, example 1. We have this triangle here. We're going to label it A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so we have the big triangle here, okay, A, C, E, and you have the smaller triangle on the inside. All right, first, let's identify what the midsegment is. Your midsegment is going to be B. And just like your theorem states, the midsegment is parallel to the third side. Okay, it joins the midpoint of the two sides that it touches. So since it joins the midpoint, B would be a midpoint and D would be a midpoint. B is the midpoint of AC, okay? And D is the midpoint of CE. You can also tell that by looking at the diagram and seeing that they both have on AC these two tick marks here. All right, meaning that those two sides are congruent to each other, AB and BC. And you can see the same thing with CD and DE. All right. So now we can use all of this information to find the value of x, y, and z. So first, let's look at x. X is on the side BC, and it's congruent to AB. So if AB is 8, then x also has to be 8. Same thing for y. It's congruent to the segment DE. So if DE is 10, then y also has to be 10. And then for z, now z is where the half the length comes into play. When you have a nice number like 20, you can just divide it in half, and that's going to be the length of your midsegment. So 20 divided by 2 equals 10. So z equals 10. Now, I also want to show you the flip of that statement where we said the third side is twice as long as the midsegment. You could also set up your equation like this. So twice as long as the midsegment would be 2z, and that is equal to the third side. Okay, so 2z is equal to 20. And then you just again solve for z, getting the same answer, 10. Okay. All right, moving on. Example 2, we want to find the value of x. Let's label our triangle. H, F. All right, so we need to use the relationship that the midsegment is half as long as the third side, or the third side is twice as long as the midsegment here. Twice as long as 5. Okay, that's 2 times 5. That's going to be equal to the length of your third side. Okay, so from there you can solve another regular equation. 2 times 5 is 10. Then we're going to subtract 1 from both sides. 10 minus 1 is 9. So x is equal to 9. All right. And this last problem here, we want to find the values of x and y. Let's identify where our midsegment is. This is the midsegment. See, it divides each side into 2 equal parts. Okay, and it's going to be half the length of this side. Or like I said, you can think of it vice versa. This side is going to be twice the length of this side. All right, let's start with y, because we can see that these 2 parts are congruent to each other. When you have 2 congruent parts and you're solving for a length or a missing variable, then you need to set them equal to each other. Congruent, remember, means equal in shape and size. Okay, so that's why it's an equal sign in the squiggly. So we're going to set these 2 parts equal to each other. 2y plus 6 is equal to 3y minus 9. And then from there, we're going to just solve for y. So we're going to get all of our variables to one side and all of our constants to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 2y from both sides. Now I have 6 equals 3y minus 2y is just y, or 1y. Okay. And I'm going to add 9 to both sides. And 6 plus 9 is 15. So y equals 15. Next, let's solve for x. So if I were to solve for x, I'm going to set up my equation saying that this side, the third side, is twice the length of my midsegment. I just think this way is easier, because if not, I mean, if you do it the other way, you use the fraction. I mean, that's totally up to you. I like this way. So I'm going to multiply this side by 2. So it's going to be 2 times x plus 23 is equal to 6x plus 11. Okay. So now I'm just going to solve for x. I'm going to distribute. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 23 is 46. Okay. Now I'm going to get all of my variables to one side and my constants to the other. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Now I have 46 is equal to 6x minus 4x, which is, that's 2x, which is 4x. And bring down that 11. Okay? And then subtract 11 from both sides. And I get 35 is equal to 4x. Divide both sides by 4. And I will get 8.75 for x. 8.75. All right. I want you to flip your paper over. I just want to ask you guys some little extension questions. If our mid-segment, or I want you to find the length of the mid-segment for that last problem. What is the length of the mid-segment? How would you find that? Okay, you want to pause the video and think about it. Okay, this is how. You would take what you got for x, which is 8.75. You would plug in 8.75 for x. Okay, so you have so you have 8.75 plus 23, which would give you 31.75. And if you needed to find the length of that third side, you could just say, or you could just multiply your mid-segment by 2. And so 31.75 times 2 equals 63.5. All right. Like I said, you guys can pause or rewind or rewatch as much as you need to. You have a worksheet that follows this. I want you guys to try your best to complete that worksheet and then turn it in before you leave class today. If you finish all of this stuff early, then you can continue working on your discovery sheet independently, or you can work on your vocabulary word journal. And I will check that when I return, or when I see you guys on